Alright guys, I'm gonna give my cameras a spa day. First, let's start with cleaning the D3000. Now, let's clean the image sensor. See where it says mirror lockup? We're gonna hit that. Then, we're gonna hit OK. We're gonna press this. Now the mirror's out of the way. Sensor swab. We're gonna gently spray this. There we go. We're gonna swab across. Now I have a fresh swab and we're just gonna go across in the opposite side. Now I'm gonna take this ball blower, try to get off any remaining dust.